Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show all the creations that I've made throughout the week. If you have any questions about any of them, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Otherwise, all the links to all the blog posts or videos where I first shared these creations are in the description box below. Let me move these out of the way and we can get started. Before I get started, I also wanted to say that my card made it to the second round of the Creative Scrapbooker Card of the Month contest. So if you are so inclined, the link is in the description box below so that you could possibly consider voting for me. I'm super excited and I'm like over the moon that I made it onto the second round. So thank you so much. All right, on to this week's creations. We have this fun Halloween card for the Craft and Chemie Saturday Challenge last week, which was Halloween Spooky or Cute. I used this fun gal from Which Way stamp set and have a Haunting Halloween. I have some of those wonky stitched ovals. I also have the circles. I really like those from Gina Marie Designs. Some Doodlebug paper, and then there's the inside. So that turned out super fun. Next up, I did this slimline using a Sweet November stamp set called Ghostly Greetings, but as you can see, ghosts don't have to be just for Halloween. Ghost hug, you can't feel it, but it's there, and I just love these little ghosts. I think they're so cute. I just stamped it very lightly on the inside there. So I really like how that turned out. I just got a very large order from Sweet November Stamps, so I'm excited to ink some of those up. Next up was the Craft and Chemie Scrappy Challenge, which is anything but a card. I made these fun ATC cards using the Buddy Bears stamp set. Color them all up differently, just having fun with the bears, the different colors, and then with the pillows adding different designs to it. So I made 4 of those. And then I finished off the week with the Not Too Shabby stamp of the month, stamp and die of the month, which is Turkey Day. And I paper pieced these pumpkins and his wings. Happy Turkey Day. And the paper is from the September. We're in September. September 2022 box of the month. The box sold out, but I believe that the paper is still available. Like I said, everything is in the description box. You can check that out. And then there's the inside of that one. So there are my creations for the week. I did have another Shop My Stash card, but like I mentioned last week, I'm going to save those all and share them in one video. So whenever I finish doing some piggies, I will be sure to get that video made, but it might take a while. And I think that's all I have for this week. Next week is a Craft and Chemie release, so I will have my Saturday showcase and then also a video with the Craft and Chemie new goodies, which are super fun. And I'm, famous last words, going to try to do some other videos. I don't know, it seems like life just hasn't gone that direction, but I'm hoping to get some done. Alrighty then, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day and go do something crafty.